Good morning, students. This is Satprakash and class 10th physics. Today we are going to practice, practice about the numericals and data related to the Ohm's law. As we know that Ohm's law V equal to IR, or it has other two forms: I equal to V upon R equal to V upon I. So in this way, you can represent. Now see the problem number 1. Problem number 1 given potential difference between 2 points of a wire carrying 2 ampere current is 0.1 volt. Calculate the resistance between these 2 points. Actually here what things are given, firstly write those things which are given. So first of all, the potential difference given is V equal to 0.1 volt, current given 2 ampere, and we have to calculate resistance of the conductor. So in this case, on applying Ohm's law, V equal to I or we can write R equal to V upon I. So putting the all values, now we get R equal to 0.1 upon 2. On solving this, we get 0.05 ampere. 0.05 ohm. This is the resistance which is calculated on the basis of Ohm's law. Now see next practice. Given V equal to 120 volt and I equal to 10 ampere. So in this case, you have to find out the resistance. Here 1 milliampere equal to 10 to the power minus 3 ampere, or you can write 0.001 ampere. This is the value of 1 milliampere. So you have to calculate value of 10 milliampere, convert into ampere, then put up the value and calculate the distance. Similarly, look question number next. Problem number 2. Consider the parameters as shown in figure. Find out the value of the current passing through the circuit. Here in this figure, the values are given as ohm resistance equal to 60 ohm and potential difference across its end is 24 volt. As we press the key, the current flows through the circuit, and then we have to find out the amount of current flowing through this. Now applying Ohm's law, we get I equal to V upon R. So in this way, on solving this we get I equal to 2 upon 5. It means I equal to 0.4 ampere. That is the current flowing through the circuit. So I think you understand these two numericals. On the basis of these two numericals, you solve again two practice questions. So here given current is 15 ampere. As I tell you, firstly you convert 15 ampere into in equal to ampere, convert into ampere, then put up the value here and R equal to 30 ohm. Now find out the potential difference in this case. So I hope you understand and solve these and note down in your notebook, and again practice more question like this. I hope you understand, आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. Thank you very much.